What can I do to ensure stable screen mirroring connections?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an issue that many of us face while screen mirroring: unstable connections. No matter if you're presenting in a meeting, sharing media with family, or simply enjoying content from your phone on a bigger screen, a smooth and stable connection is key. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to ensure a stable screen mirroring connection.
What is screen mirroring?
Screen mirroring is a technique that allows you to replicate or mirror your device's screen onto another display. This could be from your phone to a TV, or from your laptop to a projector. Though it's a useful feature, issues like unstable connections can disrupt the experience. Let's dive into some solutions.
Why is a stable connection important?
An unstable connection can lead to interrupted media play, delayed response, and even disconnections. This is not only frustrating but can also disrupt important presentations or spoil a movie night. Hence, ensuring a stable screen mirroring connection is essential for a seamless experience.
How to ensure a stable connection?
Now we're getting to the good stuff. Here are a few actionable steps you can take to ensure a stable screen mirroring connection. 1. Use reliable hardware. The first step is to make sure that the devices you're using for screen mirroring are reliable and compatible. Check the specifications and requirements of the screen mirroring technology you're using and ensure your devices meet these. 2. Maintain strong Wi-Fi connection. Screen mirroring often relies on Wi-Fi, so ensure you have a strong, stable connection. Avoid areas with poor signal or heavy interference. 3. Update your software. Keep your devices and any relevant applications updated to the latest versions. Updates often include fixes for bugs that might be causing instability. 4. Limit other device use. If possible, try to limit the use of other devices on the same network while screen mirroring. Heavy network traffic can cause lag and instability. 5. Reboot devices regularly. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix many connection issues. Make sure to restart your devices regularly. And that's it for today's guide on how to ensure a stable screen mirroring connection. By following these steps, you should be able to significantly improve the stability of your screen mirroring connections. Remember, a smooth screen mirroring experience is just a few steps away. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.